Alright, these are the quiz corrections for Math 3, quiz number 13. It's a review and then also about discounts. We took this on December 11, 2015. Question number 1 is multiple choice. It tells you to add -6, +4, plus a -6. This right here was I told you guys it was a -4, is that right? So -6 plus 4, there's more negatives than positives, so that would be a -2. A -2 plus a -6, these are both negatives, so if you count up all the negatives, you'll get -8. Your answer is A. Remember, you should be putting your answers there on the side. So remember, on each question, I'll tell you how many points it is right next to it. Question number 2 is also multiple choice. It asks you 4x plus 5 times the quantity x plus 4. Notice how that 5 is next to the parentheses there, so there you would have to distribute. Distribute means to multiply. Remember, you need to distribute this 5 to the x and also the 5 to the +4. This will become 5x, and this will become 5 times 4, which is 20. And I made the mistake because I did not distribute, so the answer should be 9x plus 20. I have a scanned copy of your test, so what I'll do is I'll just go through, so you don't need to turn it in. So if you originally marked B, then I'll change it for you, so you don't need to turn anything in. Math 3, quiz number 13, question 2. Question number 3. It tells you to evaluate y divided by 2x minus z. So your y value here, value means to substitute. Your y value is 16. 2 times x, your x value is 2. So I'm just going to simplify this and we'll take care of the -1 later. So 16 over 2 times 2, which is 4, and 16 divided by 4 is 4, and 4 minus 1 is 3. Your answer is A. Question number 4 is multiple choice. A calculator that is regularly priced at $20 is on sale for 40% off. What is the sale price of the calculator? So your sales price is equal to your discount times your regular price. So our regular price is $20 and they're giving 40% off. When you multiply those two numbers together, you'll get $8. So $8 represents 40%, which means you're only paying 60%, so 20 minus 8 is $12. B is your correct answer. Okay, if you guys did it the other way, 100% minus 40% is 60%, and then 60% times $20 will give you $12. Question number 5. The percent discount at a store is determined using a table below. Shamika bought 3 skirts that cost $25 each before the discount. What is her total after the discount? So 3 skirts at $25 each, that'll give me $75. So she's going to spend $75. So that is what in the world was I thinking? $75 is a 30% discount, so this is wrong. I don't know what I was thinking. 30% discount means, so 30% times, 75%, should be 75% times 75, that'll give you what? $52.50? 70.7 times 0.7 times 75 will give us 0.7 times 75. So 52.50. So that's question number 5. So I will be changing your quiz scores. You don't have to do anything again because I've scanned them all. I have an electronic copy of it. C is the correct answer. Okay, moving on. 6a. Write the equation x minus 2y equals 4 in slope-intercept form. I would say 6a and 6b are probably the most missed question. To get into slope-intercept form means to get it where it says y equals. So how do you do that? You're going to have to use your algebra skills. Here's the equal sign. To go across the equal sign, you do opposites. Class, is this x here positive or negative? This is a positive x, so the opposite of it is negative x. You will subtract x from both sides. These will cancel. You're left with negative 2y equals negative x plus 4. To get rid of this negative 2, you're not adding 2. There's what math operation between negative 2 and y? Multiplication. So here you're going to divide by negative 2 on both sides. Now some students didn't know what to do with this negative 2. You might think, should I divide the negative 2 into the 4? Should I divide the negative 2 into the x? You actually do both. So to do that, I have it here, negative x over negative 2 and positive 4 over negative 2. There's an invisible coefficient here, so negative divided by negative is a positive, so this will become 1/2 x. And this here will become negative 2. Now, to use this to graph, my y-intercept is negative 2, and my slope is a positive 1/2, which means you go up 1, right 2. Up 1, right 2. So for that problem, for 6a, if you got 2x minus 2, and you didn't realize that this is a positive 1/2, I gave you 3 points out of 4. For 6b, if you are getting a correct slope, meaning you're getting up 1, right 2, I'm giving you 2 points. Or if you had a point on negative 2 where you know where the y-intercept is. If I'm going too fast, I'm going to upload the video and you can watch it tonight. Question number 7. A computer is on sale for $1,600. What is a 20% discount off the regular price? Which is a 20% off the regular price. What is the regular price? So they're giving you the sales price. We're not used to this, right? We're used to getting a discount and giving us the regular price. So the sales price is $1,600. So one way we figured this out is just going backwards. Well, if you have a 20% discount, which means you're only paying 80% of the price. 80% of the regular price equals $1,600. Well, if I divide both sides by 80% or 0.80, so 1,600 divided by 0.80, this will give me the regular price, and the answer is C, $2,000. Multiple choice is just correct or wrong. I'm not really looking at your work. Question number 8. Directions for questions 8 and 9. Mr. Ring wants to buy some gifts for the holidays. Which coupon would be better in each of the following? He has $20 off and $20 off and 20% off. At the beginning of every quiz and test is the same. I'll go back. Show all your work in the space provided box for answers. So a lot of you guys are just telling me which coupon, you didn't show me your work. Okay? So what I did for that problem is if you just told me which correct coupon, I'm going to give you 2 points. So if you don't show your work, I'm giving you only 2 out of 4. Now, if you have these two numbers here, $20 off, you just subtract 20, you get $1,279. And to calculate 20% off, you should have gone $1,039.20. If you have all 3 of these items here, that's how you got your 4 out of 4. If you made a mistake on calculating, say, the 20% off, and you're going in the right direction, I gave you 3 out of 4. The 20% coupon is better because you're paying less money. Question number 9. Same thing. $20 off, you just subtract 20. And to get 20% off of our video game of $52.99, you can multiply that number times 0.20. You'll get $10.60, and you can subtract that from the original price. Or if you know it's a 20% off coupon, you're only paying 80%. 80% times $52.99 gives you $42.39. $20 off is a better coupon. Okay, question number 10. Brooklyn says using a 70% off coupon, then a 30% off coupon means that the item she buys is free. Kaya disagrees. Who's correct and why? The correct answer is Kaya. So if you just wrote Kaya with no explanation, I gave you 2 out of 4. So you guessed, I gave you 50%. Okay. Here's the math behind this. So 70% off coupon, and then you stack it with a 30% off coupon. That does not result in 100%. Okay. So the common mistake is you think that you can do 70 plus 30% gives you 100%, and that's not right. So in our activity this week, we learned that you can pick a number, and the number I told you guys to pick is what number, class? $100. It was the easiest one, right? So let's just say Brooklyn says you get 70% off coupon. Well, 70% off means you're only paying 30%. $100 times 30% means $30. $100 item has 70% off is $30. Then if you stack it with a 30% off coupon, which means you're only paying 70%. $30 times 70% gives me $21. So notice how you're not getting the item for free, you're still paying $21. If Brooklyn buys something, say a $100 item, it will cost X amount, not $0 or free. Brooklyn thinks 70% off, then 30% off means 100%. But it actually means 79% off, or paying 21% of the original price. Kaya is correct. I got 79% because you're only paying $21 of the 100. And question number 11. Let's see if I can get it up there. Fill in the blank squares so that each row and column contain all the digits 1 to 3. Numbers in the cages may repeat as long as they are not in the same row or column. So this is a 3 by 3, which means I should only have 3 numbers. That says 2, 1, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 2, 1. So here, this Ken is telling us you have addition and subtraction. Now in this problem, I actually gave you 2 freebies. You know that there are 2 free spaces because if you look here, look at the top left, there's no math operations there, and notice how it's already a cage or it's darkened, which means it tells you what number to write. You write what number? 2. And down here you write what number? 1. So those are your 2 freebies, right? This says you need 2 numbers, and when you subtract them, they'll be 1, not negative 1. Well, I already have a 1 here, so that means this has to be a 3 and a 2. If I have a 3 and a 2 here, if you go across, you need the numbers 1, 2, and 3. Well, that's a 2, that's a 3, you can put a 1 here. And then you need 2 numbers, when you subtract them, they will equal 2, that's 3 and 1. And you need 3 numbers that add up to be 6, that's 1 plus 3, which is 4, 4 plus 2 is 6. Remember, if you check this, all of your rows should contain the numbers 1, 2, and 3, and all your columns should contain the numbers 1, 2, and 3. Let me tell you the secret. Ready? This is what one student recognized. What do you recognize about this diagonal? So you can take a look back at all of your previous Ken puzzles and see if that observation is true. So one student came up to me and said, "Mr. Ring, take a look at that."